What's going on, guys? Today I'll be discussing a fragrance from the house of Rasasi Hawas, another Hawas Blanca. Recently I reviewed Hawas Kobra. Today I'll be discussing Hawas Malibu. So Hawas Malibu, how good is this fragrance? I got the decant and I've tried this fragrance. Let me spray this here. The dry down is here. So Hawas Malibu. Let me spray this again. The smell to my nose. Let me start by saying that this one from the atomizer, I was like, I've smelled this type of fragrances. The JPG Le Beau DNA. Another overdone DNA, but there is a change when I spray this, when I apply this, still reminds me of the JPG Le Beau DNA, but with changes, okay? There are changes in this fragrance. This one to my nose feels more tropical, fruity, more different type of fruits. Well, let me read out the notes to you, then describe the smell. This one contains pineapple, orange, grapefruit at the top. The mid contains orange, lavender, amber, and the base contains tonka bean, musk, cashmeran, and patchouli. So these are the notes. Now, what do I detect? This to me gives this bubblegummy feel, fruity bubblegummy feel. The fruitiness is coming from the pineapple. Yep, the pineapple is there, dominant to my nose, mixed with citruses. The grapefruit is there. There's bergamot-like tone as well. There's slight hint of lime-like tone as well. So you get this tropical fruity opening with sweetness, bubblegummy type of feel that reminds me of the Invictus DNA, the OG Hawas. This one also reminds me of JPG Le Beau DNA, the Lataf Najdia, then other JPG Le Beau DNA fragrances. Yep, even the Hawas Tropical. Hawas Tropical kind of shares the same DNA. Hawas Tropical is a dupe of Paradise Garden, Le Beau Paradise Garden. This one is more on the track of JPG Le Beau and JPG Le Parfum, Le Beau Le Parfum, mixed with Invictus, the Invictus DNA, which is the Hawas OG DNA. Okay, what I get from this is citrusy combination right from the top. There is bubblegummy fruitiness. The pineapple DNA is quite dominant. Pineapple doesn't mean this is Aventus, okay? This is not. So I don't get anything like Aventus. To me, this one feels like Invictus mixed with JPG Le Beau. So this fragrance, fruity, sweet, musky, ambery. Yes, let me come to it. The dry down starts to become aromatic, musky, and ambery. I can get this aromatic tone that is coming from the lavender mixing with this musky tone, very musky on my skin, and this ambery sweet character in the dry down. To my nose, I forgot to talk about the coconut. Yes, this one to my nose has less coconut than all the other Invictus, sorry, not Invictus, all the other Le Beau clones that I tried. The coconut is actually toned down, but it's there. I can pick out the coconut, but something that I can use probably. If you know me, I don't like coconut DNA, okay? This one has the coconut, slight bit of coconut, but nothing overpowering like all the Le Beau DNA, okay? All the Le Beau dupes. This one reminds me of the Invictus DNA, the OG Hawas. This one reminds me of JPG Le Beau, JPG Le Beau Le Parfum. Those fragrances. This one shares the DNA of Hawas Tropical. So from my side, I think this is somewhat redundant. I don't know why they actually decided to go for similar type of fragrances, Hawas Tropical, Hawas Malibu. Let me clear this out. Not exactly similar, but the DNA is there. So nothing unique, okay? But a very good fragrance nonetheless. This is powerful. This has this tropical summer vibe. So a lovely fragrance for summer. Occasion wise, you can use this anywhere. Casually, formally, this will work really well. Casually, this will work brilliantly. Okay. So for those who like the coconut DNA, the Le Beau Le Parfum DNA, so you guys will enjoy this. This has toned down coconut, but it's there. This is more like bubblegummy, fruity, the pineapple, the aromatic lavender, the amber, and musk. Decent fragrance, will work casually, formally, both ways. Summer banger, yes. In hot humid condition, you might enjoy this fragrance. There is a chance that many people will enjoy this fragrance. Now let's talk about the performance. Performance, I extracted around 5 to 6 hours longevity and projection of 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Yes, for the first 1.5 hours to 2 hours, this one was filling up the room. Even when I went outdoor, this one was actually performing really well. So creates a beautiful scent trail, will get you noticed. This is a loud fragrance, yes. So yep, that's the performance. Now what did I miss? I talked about the smell, the performance, the occasion, the season, the pricing. The pricing is $29 or so, less than $30. In Bangladesh, you'll find this within 3500 taka to 3700 taka. So there you go. Now I have to tell you that if you want something unique, this is not it. This has the Le Beau DNA, the Le Beau Le Parfum DNA. You'll get the DNA in many different fragrances. Probably you have tried it, so nothing unique. But if you want something that shares the DNA of the Le Beau line, so you can try this one. And if you are a Hawas fanboy, go get this one, Hawas Malibu. Good fragrance, decent performer. So yep, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time with another fragrance review. Keep me in your prayers, keep smelling good. Also subscribe to my channel if you like my work. Your subscription means a lot to me. So yep, you can join my Facebook group Fragrance Fanatics of Bangladesh as well. Take care everyone. Peace.